All right, we're out demoing one of our projects, and one of the things we ran into was some termite damage. And you know, if your house, you start seeing these little trails in the sheetrock, that's an indication you're having a termite issue. And typically what you're gonna see is a little dot that gets black dirt around it. You wipe that dirt off thinking something got on it. Next thing you know, the dot is back with dirt again. You got termites. You need to get somebody out to check it out, because left untreated, this is what happens to the 2x4s. They literally start to crumble. So we're already going to have to be replacing the sill plate here. You can see it got into the studs a little bit. We'll check this to make sure it's solid before we build back. But termites is not something you want to be messing with. You need to get a professional out to exterminate them. And one of the things we really got to worry about nowadays is Formosa termites. These are something that was imported in railroad ties 15, 20 years ago. And they tear a house up overnight, virtually overnight. They are so fast moving that if you don't address them as soon as you see them, you're going to rebuild your entire house.